Always welcome a new day with a smile on your lips and good thoughts in your mind. But how will you decide what are the good thoughts for you, my little sweethearts? So, guys, do best in your studies, eat proper and healthy food, take a complete sleep, and be happy always. And what is the mean? Do good studies. These are good thoughts for your mind. So, keep these thoughts in your mind when you wake up in a new day. So, welcome in a new day with me. I am Ojashwini, your teacher of social studies. Yes, grade 5 social studies, and today we are going to discuss block 2 stone tools. So, today we will discuss only HOTS. HOTS means higher order thinking questions. In your content book, you can see only question number 8 is a HOTS question. Means you need to think the answer. Rest question number 1 to 7 are easy. As we discussed in our previous video classes, you can write answer easily or before going to start your writing work if it is still not completed. So, read your book block 2 again carefully, then write answers. If you already completed your work, well done. So, question number 8. How did the Iron Age bring about a revolution in the history of humankind? Okay, so if you know the answer, very good. You can match your answer with me. One thing can happen that our answers are same, means your and mine, but words can be different. Or if you were unable to write the answer, you can take help from my video. Okay, so after Iron Age, iron was used in every field such as farming, building houses, making ornaments, household works along with weapons. That continues today also. Household works. Okay. So guys, household words means like we are using tong, चिमटा लोहे का बना होता है, कॉल्ड्रन कढ़ाई लोहे की कढ़ाई, इज इट? इस तरीके के बहुत सारे हाउस होल्ड थिंग्स हैं लाइक योर आयरन टेबल, योर बेड फ्रेम, योर सोफा फ्रेम, योर बाइसिकल, etc are made up of iron, and today we are also using, but now it is developed. In the ancient times, those iron utensils or weapons or tools was heavier, but now these are well polished, lighter, and multi-purpose. That was the huge development in the evolution of humankind. Now we are going to discuss HOTS of your workbook. So first, S1, there are two questions in question number 3. So guys, in each page S1, S2, S3 and as food. Third question is HOTS question. So in S1 there are two questions in question number 3. A. What kinds of tools are being used in the painting? You can see a painting besides the question. Tools like hand axe, cleaver are being used in the painting. Yes, the is height behind the picture. Okay. Next, third B of S1. What do these tools tell you about the life of early human? Very simple. These tools tell us about the use of stone tools for their day-to-day activity. We can guess what they were doing with these tools. Then as to question number 3, write any two ways in which the early humans would have used their tools apart from hunting for food during the Mesolithic age. So, apart from hunting for food, early humans were used stone tools for digging the grounds and also digging the roots which they were eat, and plucking the fruits. They also need stone tools for plucking the fruits. They throw the stones and the fruit were fallen down. Now S3, question number 3. What is the one thing that separates the Chalcolithic age from the earlier stone ages? In earlier stone age, only stone were used for making tools, but in Chalcolithic age, copper were also used. Along with wood and stone, copper were mainly used in Chalcolithic age. Clear, guys? Now S4, question number 3. How advanced our current tools compared to the ones in the Iron Age? In Iron Age, axes, sickles, knives were made of iron. Those were heavy and not well finished because they don't have more techniques that we have today. But today, now these many tools are lighter and sharper and also easy to use. Is it? So guys, we are completing HOTS of content book and also your workbook S1, S2, S3, S4. Now it's time to confirm the answer of your bonus question of the day, all 4 days. So number 1, which of the following is a tool of Paleolithic age? Here I am not giving all 4 options, only correct answer is there. And the correct answer is hand axe. Then bonus question of day 2. What is other name of Mesolithic age? And the correct answer is Middle Stone Age. Then bonus question of day 3. What material was used to make tools in the Neolithic and the Chalcolithic ages? And the correct answer is copper. Then question number 4 or bonus question of day 4. Recognize the given picture and choose the correct answer. So guys, this picture is given in your content book under the heading of Iron Age. And this picture is given in middle of two pictures. And name of this picture is megalithic burial. Okay, megalithic burial. So guys, what is your writing work? It is, if you are still not completed your writing work of workbook or your PQs from content book, so complete all writing work of workbook and PQs of block 2 stone tools. So for today, thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, 1 minute, wait. Day after tomorrow, it means today is Monday, is it? Tomorrow is Tuesday. We will start new block. Block 3. The hunters and gatherers. And day after tomorrow, it means day of Wednesday, there will be your block assessment of block 2. So complete all writing work today and prepare well for your block assessment that will be on Wednesday. One more thing guys, I am going to attach some images as documents in your schoolia. So please don't forget to see these documents. It will help you to write the correct answer of your PQs as well as your workbook answers. Clear? Thank you once again.